Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley. Don't pop it like Miley.
You could stand back further. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 450 Bushmaster.
You're on air.
Oh yeah? I'm on air.
.44 Magnum. Here we go. Are you gonna shoot that damn thing or you gonna play with it? Was it scary?
Who's scary?
It's on.
200 yards. Ready?
Yep.
That's 200-yard shot.
What you gotta say? What you gotta say?
Save your brass. 200-yard shot, 450 Bushmaster. Not using anything, freehand, standing up. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Show them the 200, that way they know. 200 yards. This is gonna be rough. Hey, use a pole.
No poles.
Really? I can't even hold the summit straight.
Well, no poles.
I want to use a pole.
Really, you're
Use a
cheating.
pole. We got a shooting rail on the damn stand.
Well,
That's so much better. I forgot to put my earplug in. I got one on this side. I got one on this side, and I can't hear now. How retarded is that?
Yeah.
These two were the result of the 50. Pretty much will stack the shot. This was the result of the 200. Don't ask me why it went like that. That's the first time I ever shot at 200 yards. And this down here was a result of the free-handed, well, leaned up against the pole, shot at 200 yards, which, that sucked. I killed the bottom deer. But these two up here, or these three, was the 200 on the bench, which all three deer, that would have tore his leg off. This one here would have killed it. This one here would have killed it. But this the 50, pretty much will stack it right there. Same hole down there, just blew the hole bigger. And we'll see what we can do now. Alright, let's go. Alright. Now this is gangster style. With a 9mm.
it's a kill shot.
50 yards. Gangster shots. Hang on a second. Still recording?
You don't have one of your earplugs in, do you?
No.
Again.
Where the hell did my earplug go? I lost my damn earplug. Oh, here it is.
Only you would lose your earplug.
Oh, ear protection. That's a must.
You got a square around your face.
A square.
Yeah.
All right. Let's try this again. Swear, bro.
Your piece get faced out.
Huh?
Your piece get faced out.
50 cent.
Remember? Transformers.
Uh-oh. Just with the 9.
Too.
Really? You had more. You sound like you were shooting. Oh, shit. Take clip out.